This is our first video and we're so excited to introduce our 3 mini Nubians. This is Emery, this is Laramie, and down here is Alberta. And right now they're getting a little bit of snack of animal crackers. It's really cold out today. We're expecting some Arctic winds and freezing temperatures. So we're just gonna give them a little bit of crackers for some sugar and some warmth and some energy. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. I know. All right, that's it. Last one. Last one. All right. Hold on. Oh, sweet girls. Yeah. All right. Hold on. All right, so we have now moved from the goat pen to the chicken coop. We are gonna go check on some eggs, right? Because in these freezing temperatures, the eggies tend to freeze right there and crack, and then we have none. So let's do that before that happens. You ready?
Yes.
All right.
Hello. So this is our chicken coop in the goat pen. We have 11 chickens in here currently. We used to have way more, but we will be getting some in the future. And currently, I don't know how much breeds we have. Chicken Palace.
Here, chickies.
That, here, let's put some light. That is where the chickens eat. That, as you can see, the chickens are roosting.
All right, do we have any eggs?
And
See.
that is where we find the eggs too. And if you see the eggs there, those are fake eggs. They are not real.
Do tell.
Like these eggs, they are
Okay.
not real, they are fake.
Why are those fake eggs in there?
To encourage them to lay eggs.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, so.
That is where they drink the water.
Mm-hmm.
They like to drink the water from there.
Yeah. So we have white leghorn, so that's number 1.
Yeah.
We have the barred rock, that's number 2. We have some black copper marans, 3. We have Americanas, 4. We have a sapphire gem, that's 5. And then we have some olive eggers, that's 6. And we have a splash maran, that's 7. So we have 7 breeds over here.
Yes, and I did.
Right, and we had some cinnamon queen.
Yeah, those were the ones in the
Easter
past.
eggers.
Those were
Yeah.
the ones in the past.
Yeah. So we're gonna be getting some more in the future.
So this is where the chickens roam. I call it the outside pen.
Yeah, I wouldn't open it right now, Robbie, because it's all stuck, and they won't go outside right now because it's too windy and snowy.
I want to check it out. Honestly, they're in there.
Good job.
So
Here you go.
there's a reason why we have these flags here.
What's the reason?
So they're super bright.
Yeah. And also because it's constantly moving, because it's really windy here all the time. So it kind of scares away the crows and hawks.
This is where the chickens would come out from, into their big round area.
Yeah. And here we have our temporary turkey pen. Here we have our three handsome boys. Oreo, Snowman, and Hamburger. Are you guys gonna say hi? Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. You guys have survived Thanksgiving and Christmas for now. But yeah, they're super cool and friendly. They're actually my younger son's Danny's birds and project. So right now they get to hang out here, shielded from the wind. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Time to warm up.
Yeah.
By the wood stove.
Very cold. Yes. Very.